Your Ram 2500 sitting stock with zero stance and wheels rubbing on wider tires? That's a fixable problem. Wheel spacers push things out, clear up brake caliper issues, and give your heavy-duty truck the aggressive look it was born to have. No lift kit required. 4 solid options built for the 2500 right here, and all links are in the description. Kicking things off at number 4, the Mishimoto Borne off-road spacers are the premium engineered pick on this list. Forged aircraft-grade aluminum with grade 12.9 steel studs and lug nuts. Hub-centric design for precise fitment on both front and rear axles, and a durable anodized finish that laughs at corrosion. Fits the Ram 2500 with the correct bolt pattern and center bore. Comes with all hardware pre-installed, backed by a lifetime warranty. That's serious confidence in a product. Number 3. The Rough Country spacers bring 2 inches of push in that signature anodized red finish. Yeah, they look clean peeking behind the wheel. Corrosion-resistant aircraft-grade aluminum with pre-installed studs, sold in pairs, and easy enough to install at home without a lift. Fits trucks with the correct stud size. No dual rear wheel models, though. If you want a bold look with a trusted brand name behind it, Rough Country delivers. At number 2, the Bronson Built spacers are the American-made specialist option, hub-centric, OEM spec center bore, and available in a massive thickness range from 1.5 inches all the way up to 4 inches. Covers the full range of Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks across multiple generations, with the same bolt pattern. One critical note: front and rear spacers are different, so make sure you're ordering the right set for your axle. No returns once installed, so double-check everything first. Taking the top spot, the FLYCLE spacers win on versatility, available in 2 configurations covering both older and newer Ram trucks, so no matter which year truck you're running, there's a version built for it. 2 inches of thickness, forged aircraft-grade aluminum with hardened grade 12.9 studs, CNC machined for precision, and surface anodized for long-term durability. Comes with thread locker and a user manual. Ongoing customer support included. That's the complete package. 4 spacers, 1 serious truck, and a stance upgrade that actually makes sense for a heavy-duty build. Whether you want lifetime warranty coverage or a thick American-made hub-centric fit, this list covers every angle. All links are right there in the description. Go find your match. Hit subscribe and stay with us. More Ram content and heavy-duty truck upgrades are coming your way.